Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Bitstamp Pro fast access step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Bitstamp Pro. Press the enter key to navigate to the site. Once the page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login screen. Here, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, type in your password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, retrieve the verification code from your device. Input the verification code into the specified field. Double-check your email and password for accuracy. Once everything is in order, click the Login button. After a brief moment, you will be logged into your Bitstamp Pro account. Explore the platform to manage your account and trades. If you encounter any issues, check your email for a password reset option. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for smooth access. Now you are ready to navigate Bitstamp Pro and utilize its features. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and available tools. Consider taking additional security measures for your account. Always log out after finishing your session for enhanced security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.